Hi there. Thank you for tuning in to StampTV. I'm Kristin Stampini with Remax Services, and today I'm going to talk about best home improvements to increase your value. Stay tuned, because at the end of the video, I'll give you a chance to receive a special gift, and you won't want to miss it. Remodeling the kitchen. Most people consider the kitchen to be the heart of the home. And because of this, updates in the room may pay off. So HGTV, you can expect to recoup between 60 and 100% of your investment in the kitchen remodel, as long as you don't go overboard. You should never make kitchen fancier than the rest of the house or the neighborhood, so don't overdo it. A little paint goes a long way when it comes to how much you spend on a kitchen remodel. Prices can range in a kitchen remodel anywhere between $5,000 and go all the way up to $75,000. So make sure that you get the best bang for your buck. Fresh paint in the modern colors can go a long way towards updating the look of the home. Plus, paint is relatively cheap. Replacing old appliances can make your kitchen remodel go a long way. So bathrooms, in addition, if your home only has one bathroom, you can recoup a large chunk of your investment by adding another one. You can get really 80 to 130% off in a bathroom when it comes to finding room in your house for an extra bathroom. Take a look at any extra room, underutilized space, under stairs, in an attic, upstairs. You know, if you want half a bathroom, you need at least 18 square feet. In a full bathroom, you need at least 30. So go ahead and get a contractor. How can you make your home worth more money? Bathrooms definitely do it, especially if you don't have enough bathroom. Okay, so see these bathroom designs and remodels, ideas to get you started in possibly doing a new bathroom. Like any other project, the cost of adding a bathroom depends largely on the types of additions and accessories that you want to use and the cost of each of these items. You can save money by frequently checking Lowe's and Home Depot. Now, let me tell you, we redid our bathroom, and it was a nice, large, extra large bathroom, tore it all out. It cost us $20,000. We will definitely recoup it when we sell the home. So we just make sure that when we're looking, that we don't overdo it for the home, and that every year we do little things, more and more things, and to know that we are going to recoup it when we sell. So just make sure that you aren't overdoing it. You know, there's a lot of other things that you can do, and you know, reinventing the existing space in your home to save money. You know, convert an attic to a bedroom. Many homeowners can also add small apartments in an overhead garage where they can rent out as a room. You know, and today mother-in-law suites are so common. So before you tear down walls, rafters, try to think about ways that you can potentially, buyers can use this space. You know, versatile rooms that are appealing to buyers. You know, and a lot of the time, you know, millennials stay sometimes with their parents longer, why they save up for a home. So these extra rooms are awesome. Also windows. So here in Florida, hurricane windows, efficient, you know, windows, energy efficient, are very important. So when you're replacing your window, you want to think about those things. You know, you can save up to $500 a year in heating. You know, here in Florida, heating, you know, we don't use very much, but cooling, okay, air, AC, and everything else, we want to make sure that everything that we're doing with energy efficient windows and hurricane proof. And you can also get up to a 10% tax credit when doing it too. So Energy Star estimates average cost of replacement and average size home anywhere between $10,000 on up. So windows can save you hundreds of dollars every year, and if not thousands of dollars in your actual costs of heating and cooling every single month. So, addition, a deck, patio. Outdoor living spaces have become more desirable, especially since more people stay at home for vacation and they like to entertain. So here in Florida, as you know, it's hot during the summer, so we're not usually outside, but in the winters, oh my gosh, we all use our patios and decks. So you can get pretty much 65 to 90% return on the cost of a deck or patio, and sometimes it'll even go up to 120%. Just make sure, again, that you just don't overdo it. Making sure that you are taking care of small things, handyman stuff. When you're taking care of those types of things in the home, you can definitely see the return on investment. Making sure there's no leaks, making sure, when you are replacing things, that you're replacing it at the price that the home can take. So, and the neighborhood. It's very, very important. Making sure that anything that you modify, what you cost, the cost, in the area, updating your home to save energy doesn't have to cost you a lot of money and can make your home more appealing to potential buyers. So just think about everything that you're doing when you're updating your home or changing or whatever you're doing to your home is how much do I want to spend and what can I get out of doing the updates. You want to make sure that you're sealing cracks around the house to save even more money on energy costs and to make your home more appealing to buyers. Anything that you're doing, I hope that you're thinking about what can the neighborhood take, what kind of appraisal. Okay, let's talk about appraisals for a second. You're gonna put maybe $100,000 into a home or whatever it is, and the appraisal of when you're selling it, the appraiser might give you $20,000 for all those upgrades. So you just don't know. But if your home is, let's say you're in a community and your home is $400,000 and everything else in there is selling for $500,000 and $600,000. These updates might give you instead, if you spend $100,000, you actually might get a lot of it back when selling your home. So it's very careful. You have to be making sure that you're not overdoing it because you won't see it back when selling your home a lot of the time. You can enjoy it while you're living there, but you probably also want to think about what you're doing and the updates that you're doing so that when you sell it, you're going to get a lot of that recoup. So basic updates, definitely keep paint fresh, fix the roof when it leaks, replace wood rot, make sure there's no mold, these type of chores and these type of things to just make your home from deteriorating over time. Buyers want healthy, solid, safe, and they look for carefully maintained homes. So thanks for tuning in today to my channel. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel also. Click the bell icon so that you can receive weekly videos for sellers and buyers and weekly tips and tricks. And leave a comment below and I'll be happy to send it over to you on how to updating your home and where to regain money when doing so. The best places to spend your money when updating a home. So thanks for joining today and hope to see you next week.